The Stand Up for Grain Safety Week is a nationwide effort to raise awareness about grain handling and storage safety and encourages employers to dedicate time this week to provide education and training and convey safety best practices. The Stand Up is a collaborative effort between several organizations, including the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, National Grain and Feed Association, the Grain Elevator and Processing Society, the Grain Handling Safety Council, the North American Millers Association, and the American Feed Industry Association. Today's kickoff is to promote and encourage participation in the stand-up with speakers, training demonstrations, and a networking reception. The event is being live-streamed on the YouTube channel of the Grain Handling Safety Coalition, and videos of the training demonstration can be viewed at www.standupevents.org/grain. A big thank you goes to the Grain Journal and GrainNet for sponsoring today's lunch. We appreciate that immensely. Providing funding and other support for today's events are JEEPS, GFAI, the Grain Handling Safety Coalition, North American Millers Association, National Grain and Feed Association, OSHA, and the University of Illinois Chicago School of Public Health. We would like to acknowledge and extend a thanks to the ASMARC Institute for use of this facility and the Grain Handling Safety Council for hosting and coordinating today's events. Just a brief word about the ASMARC Institute. They supply risk management services and products, education software technologies, and compliance assistance to the agribusiness industry and is a trusted national resource. This building, which opened in August of 2014, is one of ASMARC's 3 training facilities. It is a fully equipped building to provide anhydrous ammonia and grain handling safety training. The Grain and Feed Association of Illinois partnered with ASMARC and provided 1- and 2-day grain handling safety courses. To the south and to the east of this building is additional property owned by ASMARC, where they teach new and experienced farm center employees the art and science of being a professional applicator. I know with us today we've got one of the ASMARC board members, Gene Payne. Gene, we appreciate your participation with ASMARC. Thank you very much. We want to thank our guests who will be appearing with us today. After the speakers, I'll read through who they are so you know, and we can show our appreciation as we start here. Illinois Senator Jason Barickman, Director of Illinois Department of Labor, Michael Kleineck, Deputy Director Warren Ghosh with the Illinois Department of Ag, Lauren Sweat, Acting Assistant Secretary of OSHA, Eric Wilkie, Chairman, National Grain and Feed Association, Robert Taylor, International President, Grain Elevator and Processing Society, Robert Harper, Chairman, North American Millers Association, and Stan Blunier, Board of Directors of the Grain Handling Safety Coalition. Let's give them a sign of our appreciation. Thank you. After the speaker presentations, we invite everyone to adjourn to the grain training area where there will be educational training demonstrations of the featured topics for the week, for this week's stand-up activities, including entrapment and engulfment, fall hazards, lockout, tagout, and machine guarding, as well as an opportunity to see some of the facilities' various training facilities. In addition, there will be displays around the room where you can talk to people about the different products that they have. We'll conclude today's events with a networking reception back here, and as you can see, look at these different displays for different hands-on activities.